is Danielle. I'm with the Customer Success team at Figured, and in today's video, we'll cover how to create a new milk tracker, how to map the accounts within this new milk tracker, and we'll also discuss the different payment type setups that you can have within Xero and Figured. To create a new tracker, you're going to want to head to the side panel, and under the Operations tab, select Trackers. From the Trackers page, you'll see an option to create new tracker, and from the list provided, you'll select the milk option. On this page here, we can give our tracker a name, and we can select the supplier company. If you don't see your company on the list, you can select Other down the bottom. For this example, I'll select Fonterra and create my tracker. That's going to bring us to our milk tracker settings page here. On this page, we're going to set our operation type, map our income accounts, and set the payment type that we use within Xero. If we take a look at the operation type here, I've currently got mine set to farm owner. We do support share milker setups as well as contract milker setups. In this section here is where you map your income accounts. You'll need to map a current season income account as well as a deferred season income account. If you're a Fonterra supplier, we do have the option to add your supply number. This will then pull your production feeds directly through from FarmSource. We do have further Help Center articles available to help you through this setup. Down the bottom here is where you'll set the payment type that you use within Xero. If you use an invoice setup, then you'll select the Yes option. If you use cash transactions within Xero, you're going to want to select the No option. I'll go into further depth in what the difference is between the two of those setups, as well as how they translate within the milk tracker and Figured. Once you've finished selecting all of your options within this milk tracker settings page, you'll select the Save Changes options down here to create your milk tracker. Let's take a look at the difference between an invoice and a cash transaction in Xero. You can see here when I go to create a new invoice in Xero's end, I have the option to add an issue date and a due date. In milk terms, this translates to our production date and our payment date. For example, we know that May's milk production doesn't get paid until June. Therefore, when creating a new invoice in Xero, I would do my May production date as my issue date and the June payment date as my due date. This means that in my milk tracker, it's able to pull the production and the payment date directly from Xero so that the production aligns within the tracker. Let's take a look at a received money transaction. When creating a received money transaction in Xero, I only have the option to add one date, the payment date. Therefore, when we select the No option in our tracker settings, we're telling Figured that we're unable to add a production date in Xero's end. This then takes our payment, moves it 1 month back so that it aligns with our production within the milk tracker. This also means that for end-of-year reporting purposes, we're going to need to run the Account Journals tool, which is covered in another video of ours.